is National Coffee Day. I am joining in on Crafters Coffee Clutch 2024. This is hosted by Lene of Fashionably 50-something and beyond. So what I made, actually before I get into it, it's not totally, well, it's kind of a journal, but I think it's kind of a portfolio, but I'm not 100% sure. But I want to show it to you this way so you can sort of see what we've got. We have a journal area with some pages, and then we have these accordion pages. So it's really unique and fun, and I had such a blast making it, and I used my Coffee Time digital kit to create it. Now I'm going to start flipping through for you, and I want to mention, of course, again, Lene of Fashionably 50-something and beyond is hosting this collaboration. And let me read this to you real quick. I don't drink coffee to wake up. I wake up to drink coffee. And my daughter read that and she said that was her. So I want to mention that there are a bunch of collaborators that are participating along in this collaboration. I will have them all listed in my description box. Please be sure to go check out Lene's channel, give her some crafty love, and then check out all of the participants and give them some crafty love as well. All of these are pages from my digital kit. And there are more pages, but those are the ones I chose to use in the journal page area of this. What do we want to call this? Is it a folio? I'm not sure. So here you can see I put a little side tuck, and then I'm using this as a tab to hold the postcard in place. Also, everything is part of the kit except for I used 2 pieces of scrapbook paper. Everything else literally comes from my kit. So this part is done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to flip this over, and we've got a tuck right here. This is the scrapbook paper. This is a kit paper. And this is scrapbook, but this is kit. So we're going to open this up like this. And you can see I've got some cut aparts here. This little piece of coffee dyed paper came from my friend Lori at Enchanted Dreams 71. Over here we have a couple of tags. This says I like my coffee with cream and my literature with optimism. Oh yeah, and this little cup holds some very small pieces of cut aparts. I'm going to slide these tags back in place. Now I'm going to flip this one open, and we have 2 pockets here. Well, we have 3 pockets here because we have a small one in the front. This says coffee because adulting is hard. And I'm going to tell you guys something. That is so true, especially right now in this particular season of my life. I am having some struggles. And, you know, it's okay. Everything's going to be fine, but I've been going through a tough time. So at any rate, here's another pocket. And here's a nice big tag that I had popped in there. It says stressed, blessed, and coffee obsessed. And then in this pocket, we've got this tag. Today's good mood is inspired by coffee. And down here it says latte. Again, all of this part of the digital kit, except for this big backing paper that is scrapbook paper. Now we're going to come over. Well, you can see I added just some fun charms that go with the tone of this folio. So now we're going to go ahead and open this way. I'm going to make a little bit of room. We have a small pocket right here, so I've put a few pieces of cut aparts inside of that. We've got some little coffee themed stamps up here. We have a little side pocket here. This says coffee break, and there's a little faux wax seal there. This may be the one I already showed you from the front because, interestingly, this pocket goes through to both sides. I'll show you that in a few minutes. At any rate, let me show you this pocket, what's in here. May your coffee be strong and your Monday be short. We have a nice big tag here. And we have a guest check here with a cup of something, some sort of a frozen coffee deliciousness there. Now we're going to flip this way. I think I already showed you this, right? Yes, when I first opened it. I did. Okay, so now we're going to open it this way, and we have another pocket. and a pretty tag, and a pocket over here. Caffeine, it maintains my sunny personality. That's so funny. Oh, it's so my daughter and my husband. That's just so funny. All right, and now I'm going to flip this way, and then here is that same pocket on the other side. Remember that? Isn't that fun how that does that? And then we have a small pocket here with a small tag in it. I just love how this turned out. Super, super happy with it. And we have a little piece of paper for writing. And then when we go like this, we're back to the front. Now let me make sure I didn't miss anything. We're gonna go real quick. We're gonna open up everything to make sure we got all sides. I'm pretty sure we did. Okay, so there's everything on that side. You can see it. And then we're gonna flip it over. And here's everything on this side, including our journaling area. So, and then this flips, this flips like this too. So it's such a fun piece, you guys. I really enjoyed making it. And thank you, Lene, for reaching out and asking me to participate. I had so much fun. I'm so glad I did. And friends, thanks for watching. See you soon.